So number 9. The words of the Torah can be compared to water. As Yeshayahu 55:1 states, behold, all of who are thirsty come to the water. Commentary. Ta'anit 7a mentioned the idea related by Rambam, as well as other dimensions that compare comparison between Torah and water. Okay. So one of the aspects, as we said, it always goes to the lowest place. This teaches you that just as the water does not collect on an incline, but rather flows from it, right, from incline, and collects in a low place. Similarly, the words of the Torah will not be found in the arrogant and in the hearts of any of the haughty, but rather in the humble and lowly, right? Who sit in the dust of the feet of their sages and remove their desires and pleasures from the times of their hearts. Okay. They do only minimal amount of work each day to earn their livelihood if they have nothing to eat. The rest of their days and nights are involved in with Torah study. Okay, so let's do this piece again and we try to understand. This teaches that teaches you that just as water does not collect to incline, but rather flows and collects in a low place. Similarly, the words of the Torah will not be found in the arrogant or the hearts of any of the haughty. Commentary. There is the nature of such personality does not allow the individual to grasp the words of the Torah. As obvious from the contrast with the humble, pride prevents one from grasping Torah for two reasons. A proud person will be less likely to make effort necessary to open himself up to the instruction of the master. As we said, he's a big businessman, big this and big that. There is no respect for other people, right? So for instruction, okay, but he might come, he might listen to you, like and not follow the instruction. Pride often leads a person to material desire, whose pursuit will take a person away from devotion to the Torah study. As I said, these few people that I know, fortunately, the whole concentration of all what's Gula this is, Gula is that. So I mean, I told them this Gula that you do this, it's exactly like idol worshiper, like one-to-one idol worshiping. Even though they're holy Jewish books, right? But for you made it into idol worshiping. Right, so don't be arrogant, but rather be humble and lowly, who sits in the dust of the feet of our sages. Commentary 52. The Rambam's borrows the phraseology from Avos 1:4 and renders the phrase become dusty by pursuing the sages' feet. Okay, there is found them everywhere. Out of the Torahs to learn from them. So it's one explanation, as I say, you always follows your Rabbi and try to learn as much Torah as possible. But another, like straightforward, sit in the dust of their feet. So they would used to sit on the ground. So and you sit literally next to the dust of the feet of your Rabbi. Right, so continue and remove desires and pleasures of the times from their hearts. Continue. They do only minimal amount of work each day to earn their livelihood, if they have nothing to eat. Okay, so but otherwise, don't work. 54. Not the narrative from Yom 35b, quoted in the notes, chapter 1, Halachah 8, which describes Hill's daily activity. Right, Hill, he was making 1 coin, half a coin he was spending on yeshiva, and half he would provide for his family. Continue. The rest of their days and nights, they are involved with Torah study. 55.